Hey guys, welcome back to another episode with Today I'm Going with
Olivia.
And we are going to be making some slime. She's going to make some slime for her friends, which we're not going to tell you the names because it's a surprise. And I'm just going to make slime.
Yes.
So first I'm going to show you what the ingredients are.
Okay, so what we need is glue, and we're both going to share that. Okay, yeah, you show your one first.
And shampoo, which we're sharing now.
Talcum powder if you want to make a butter slime.
Up track, so you have to
Glitters, so the glitters that we've got, Bella's got some more glitters, but the glitters that I've got is gold, green, red, and black.
So the I got is this dark blue, light blue, like a brown.
But it's really pretty, you can't really see, but it's got like sparkles in.
And some silver.
Yes. Also, you'll need some shaving foam. Well, you don't need it, but like you might use it. Optional, yes. Just like the glitters were optional. You don't, and the bicarbonate soda.
And yeah.
No, not bicarbonate talcum powder. Sorry. You've still got that.
Oh yeah. So that's a measuring thing
for the activator, just so it's easier to pour.
I've got a bowl, spoon, some containers,
and I've got containers and a bowl and spoon as well. So we're just going to slightly use them because they're kind of squished to us. So we're going
to start off pouring in the glue. Do you want to go first?
Sure. So we're only going to make mini slimes because this containers are quite full. But we think we might make 2 each. Wait, so we don't need one.
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to fill it up to about there.
I might make like the slime, and then I might make a plain slime, and then I might colour and add it all in. Or I might just do Actually, no. I'm going to make the big slime, and then I'm going to separate it into the 2 mini slimes.
Because they're twins, aren't they? Just give you a quick hint.
A quick hint. Okay, so that begin now? Yeah, because I'm going to add shaving foam. Okay, there you go. It's a very big gallon, just saying.
But it's not filtered at all.
No, because I've had it since 2018 now, and I've had it since like May, and it's November now, so.
Wait, no. Oh, sorry. So, can I add the shaving foam now?
Yes. But the first thing that I love doing is just mixing my glue.
I don't do that.
I love doing it. I just love doing it. By the way, this glue is actually a washable glue, but we also have this glue. Now this glue does not work as well, but it still does work. But I would recommend the.
Oh, sorry guys. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Sorry.
About that.
Yeah, sorry.
Because it's not really balancing.
Yeah, but I would recommend the gallon.
Okay. So it looks like marshmallow flour. I always say that because it does. Oh, okay.
I'm probably gonna have a massive slime, so I might actually separate it into 3 because I might make one slime for me.
So now we have to mix. You don't have to.
I love to mix because well, you kind of do because otherwise
it will be a bit clumpy.
Bad. But I love it when you mix shaving foam with glue, literally. So
make sure you subscribe to their channel.
The Dragon Egg. Well, actually, stay tuned to the end of the video because there's a very special announcement to make. So make sure you stay tuned because I love it. I think you'll love to hear that. Yours is like, mine's so fluffy. Good.
And this is what it looks like.
I think I've added too much.
I think I'll have to split this up into 2s.
I'm just going to add a little bit of this because it's too fluffy.
That's too much shaving foam in it.
Yeah.
Okay, so next we're probably going to add shampoo.
Oh god, that was so much. I might give you one, maybe for Christmas. I might like separate it into 3. And give you the other one.
Okay, should we have this now? Because I want this in the shake. We're going to take 10
so here's the shaving foam mixed in.
It's really cool. I just want to eat it.
So you just add in as much as you want, but don't add too much
because it'll go
because it will go soapy. And that makes really bad slime. It makes your hands go like, like soap. It's like, well, you can add it if you want to make soap slime, but it doesn't activate.
I don't think there's such a thing as soap slime. Slope. I'm saying it now.
Slope.
In our last video, which is on her channel, she says slope.
Yeah, like all the time, literally. I'm like slope.
And now I'm saying slope.
It's gonna add a little bit more.
Oh, it smells so good.
Sorry,
it's like a bit dark.
Yes, it's going light and then dark. We can't get a better angle because my desk is too small, and the table over there is like messy.
But we're not going to show you it because it's too messy. And it smells. I wish you guys were here to smell it.
Smell-o-vision, smell-o-vision, smell it, guys.
No, they want to smell mine. Yeah. They have the same ingredients, so I don't know why I said that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So next.
Anyway, I was just joking.
Talcum. No, this I think.
That's at the end.
Is it? Oh, talcum powder. No, we're only gonna add a little bit because I have hardly any.
Lots of time.
I just put that on just to make it look more fancy.
Fancy.
We're only gonna add a little bit though.
Okay.
I'm not actually gonna add that. Actually, yes, I am.
Actually, yes, I am.
I'm only gonna add a little because one of the they're both girls, just saying, like Kim. But one of the girls wanted to have buttery, and someone didn't. So I'm only gonna add a little bit, and hopefully, then I'll separate it, and then I'll add more talcum powder in to make it more buttery. It's a mess.
You added
What?
so much. Can I add a bit more?
Okay.
Look, you guys, she added so much.
I'm going to show you, but I don't want to move the camera. It looks so pretty though. I want to kind of keep one white, but I mean, my friends will hate me. Oh, that stinks. Oh me. Look.
True. But it smells nice.
Okay, I just. Oh my gosh, it's
so cool.
We would show you, but we don't want to move the angle of the camera
because it's full last time she.
So I do want to kind of keep this white, but then like giving my friends the white slime, they would be like, not my friend anymore.
Guys, have you guessed their names? You probably won't, because like you've never seen them already.
Yeah, and you've never seen them on a video. But you might know if like you're my friends watching it. Like my school friends, if you're watching it, you'll probably know because I've gave a lot of hints.
I know.
But I mean, they did ask for slime, so I mean, it's not going to really be a big surprise if they do see it.
Look how nice that looks. So creamy and buttery.
Look how nice this looks. So creamy and buttery. Okay. Now, wait, I'm just going to go get something. We'll see you in a sec.
So she just got some colours.
Yeah, so the colours we've got is blue and red. But I'm only going to add the colours at the end because they both want separate colours. So I'm going to activate it as
I'm probably going to do that. Because mine, I can't. Sorry guys, I don't know.
We are like totes not prepared.
Can you move up, please?
Are you kidding?
I move up now. Okay.
Hey, can you move up, please?
No.
Because you won't move. Okay.
Sorry. So we're going to add glitter and colour at the end.
Yes, okay. So now it's the next day. Baking soda.
Next day?
Anyway.
Did you say next day?
No.
I thought you said next day then.
It's me, I think she does it. We're going to pour it into the lid so you can take pinches. I've got like, this is how much I've got literally. I've not got a lot.
We need that 3 pinches.
I'm just going to go.
Okay. Hey, see that? We're making a total mess.
Yeah, literally. If we could show you, we would. It's so messy, okay. I
So
did
now
try
you have to
see-
make sure you mix all of that in so there's no clumps.
Yes. So we'll be back when that's mixed in. Bye. Okay, yeah, so we've mixed it all in, but we're just still going to mix it just because... Yeah,
There might be some clumps in because we can't see it.
okay, so now we are going to activate the slime. So let's just get our syringe thing. And just go... Oh, no, go
So you've got that much.
Yes, okay. So I'm just going to do this because I've got... dang it.
What?
Look, it won't go in. And it's like down here. We're going to have to put it in a container.
Okay. I'll just entertain you guys. I just saw that. I'll make yours for you.
Okay.
So she's just going to get a container. Oh my god, it's tiny. You guys, look.
This is
It's
like
a little
shot
champagne
glass. Champagne? Champagne?
champagne glass.
No, shot glass. We do not need that. Legit.
Who cares?
Legit.
That is amazing.
Oh my gosh! I just
took
sucked
up
up the
all
whole
of
thing.
it.
Okay. I'm gonna suck some.
Suck some.
Okay.
That's how much you probably need.
Okay, so we're just gonna suck it in.
Suck it in. One.
There you go.
Okay.
Do it very gently. Only adding a little. Only
quite
adding a
gentle.
little bit at a time. Oh my gosh, it's already forming. Literally. It's legit. It's legit forming.
I haven't made slime
need
for
to-
ages.
Same. Like, I would do a video if we make slime, but I always do it with Bella. Literally, when I get... Oh, so that's just... I was just about to say this special announcement. Because you got my...
But you probably heard about the special announcement in our last video.
Yeah.
Which I haven't posted.
But, yeah, sorry, I just had to go like that.
Because she's
just 'cause-
being a warrior.
being a weirdo. Yeah. I just wanted to show you a quick glimpse of how weird I am. Legit. You need some. Yeah. I'm adding quite a lot. It's going to be very thick.
I didn't know.
Oh my gosh, this is forming.
She's going to a slime party.
I bet whoever watches it, I bet they don't know now. I'm going to roll my speaker up though.
Why? Just said you're going to a
Because
slime
if they watch it, then they'll know that we're talking about them. Anyways.
party.
Anyways, you can say anything else. So,
Roll
when
your sleeves up.
So do not add like loads of activator in because if you add loads in and you're like, oh my gosh, this isn't forming, you've just got to actually mix it because by mixing it, it does make it form. Legit.
I touched it at the wrong time.
Oh my gosh, that's really good.
It's nice to do.
I'm
So
just
this
gonna
is
pour it
what the
back
sign
in.
looks like. I'm scared it's going to get my head.
Now, we're not actually making.
Oh, really?
We're not actually,
Really?
Wait, I only did a little bit because you've got to, oh god, because you've got to put it back in, like because it's leaking. So and then squash it back into the pot. And squash back in. All of it, love. Legit.
Why you keep saying legit?
Because legit. You're just like, I want to go in now, but I'm just not coming out from the door.
She's literally.
I'm legit crazy.
Okay. Why are you saying that legit word?
I'm legit.
Oh, this feels so nice. Tissue in it.
Look,
You guys see
that?
that?
It just went into my slime.
No. The people are going to be mad at you.
They're really not. We've actually had to do quite a lot of actor.
And it's still not on.
Oh, mine's falling now. It might be because you've got to get it out and mix. I'm getting mine out. Wow. I'm going to... Wait, actually, no. I've got to make more space.
Same.
Because like,
Making a
this
mess
is legit
every-
weird. Stop! Legit.
Stop.
Legitness. Stop. Legitness. You're really annoyed with me. But it's moved your container. I can see it. It's just like not white.
I'm going to add silver and blue.
Okay, now we are very freestyled.
Yeah.
Literally, we're very freestyled here because, I mean, we don't have stuff prepared and, like, we're just, like...
We just...
And we
let's
don't
do a
plan.
video.
We don't plan what to, like, talk about. Literally, we just talk about
talk
stuff
about
that comes out.
anything.
Literally. Legit crazy.
I'm just so scared it's going to stick to my head.
Especially when you just got it cut.
I know.
And literally, it was this morning she got it cut, so literally. More like
It's still
a
the
week ago.
morning.
Yeah. I don't know, it's really sunny. It's because here in California, just joking, we're not in California.
Here in England.
Here in England, it gets quite sunny,
Even though it's winter.
kind of. But like in the
It's
morning, it goes really sunny.
That's how sunny it is.
Yeah, and it's only like, I don't know.
What time?
It does say in a microwave, but that's miles away. And plus it's the winter.
We're in the kitchen.
Yes, like where we do all our videos. By the way,
Thanks.
hey! Cheeky.
Guys, listen how picky this is.
Mine is just sticky.
Same. So when I poke it, it goes like that. They're so clicky though. So guys, that glue's way much better.
Is that what?
That glue's way much
Yeah,
better.
I wouldn't really recommend that PVA one because, I mean, it's not actually good.
Well, we might do another video on that
We might do testing other glues.
video.
Yeah. So like, we might test washable. We might test PVA. Do you
Just a
want
tiny bit. Yeah. Get on the landscape.
So and then we might do like PVA
We might do
glue,
it in our
washable.
next video.
Maybe it all depends because our next video will probably on the dragon egg. Our next video will probably be at Christmas time. It all depends.
At Christmas time. Literally, I do videos all the time on my house. And like, I know.
Same. I do videos all
I
the
never
time,
post
but I never
them.
post them.
I
literally.
forget. Guys, I'm going to be showing my mum and them because she doesn't know me posting unless like they're
So,
not silly
'cause
because my mum doesn't like silly videos.
I always.
The boys.
That's the doorbell. My mum's gonna go get it probably.
Because we're not sure about that.
Okay, when the boys come in, they're probably gonna be so loud, and you're probably gonna see
So
them
I'm
because they don't know that
sorry.
they don't know that we're actually doing a video. So
I'm going to be so sorry when they come in.
yeah, because they don't know we're doing
Oh,
a
I don't
video.
want them to come in.
They don't know we're doing a video, so they're
They
probably,
probably
gonna
just
be
go
screaming.
straight to the exit.
Okay.
And he might come in. No, because
Yeah, Dad just came in, but he doesn't want to be
I said-
seen. She was like, but it was like,
yeah. And he's like, oh, and he like nearly fell over. Didn't
yeah,
he?
he was like, we could show you that footage. Literally, I wish we could, but
But he didn't want to be seen.
Wait a minute.
Because you heard the door open, that's it.
Okay, so I'm going to separate mine. So there's just a bit of white because I want to keep it white, and then I'm going to mix it in with like the blue and red paint, and that will look so cool.
Paint.
No, colouring because there will be like red and pink stripes in
So
it.
same as me, I'm going to split mine.
So I'm going to have a little bit of white.
Is that even?
Okay, I'm going to split mine into 3.
Okay, I need a bit more.
I'm going to test them in my containers.
Same. Olivia.
That won't work. I need to make it so that it does
I
fit.
can see it. So I'm going to take this slime over here. And just going to put it over it.
Oh my god, it still don't fit. They're gonna have like tiny slimes.
2, 3. Oh, I don't care. I have tiny slimes.
I'm gonna have to make it smaller because I'm gonna mix in the white.
Sorry, Livy's getting upset.
There's one. That won't be.
That weren't her. That was the dog. That was the dog. That was the dog. He's literally right there. Right there. We're just laughing because that was loud. That was. Annie, really? Annie, why did you cry?
Oh my god.
Yes.
Okay.
2 for you.
Okay. So hopefully this slime fits in here.
Hopefully no one comes in.
No, it won't fit. Shut the door, old man. Shut the door, old man. Yay, victory, old man's gone. Yeah, say what now? Okay, so I have marked some slimes. And I just have the big
I got
white
pinkles
slime.
and noodles.
Noodles, what the-
I call them noodles.
So like we're really squished at the moment because I've eaten the tablet really small.
we're filming on the tablet. But
So we're doing a vlog actually, if we can see you guys.
thank you for some of the people that have been like smashing the like buttons.
Yes, but also make sure that you do send us fan mail. Because you've never got fan mail before and we really don't want it. And we have been commenting and some people like saying to people, send us fan mail. And
I've actually got a
sure.
comment that said that I might be sending you some fan mail soon.
Yeah, so we hope that, so please send us fan mail.
Fan mail?
Fan mail.
So it's not that creamy to be honest, but it's very nice.
Yes,
So
okay.
the first one that I'm going to colour is this one.
The first one that I'm going to colour is the red one. No, we do not have a lot of red, so it's going to have
I'm
to
going
be
to do
pink.
blue. Can I borrow the blue? Thank you.
You're welcome. Wait, I think we should do it on a tray. Should we do? No, do it in your container because the. Dang it!
I imagine that. I got things in
Because otherwise the
I barely read it.
slime could go on me. I think. It's happy in me. Okay, so I forgot who wanted what.
So like
I forgot if the one of the girls wanted I forgot which one wanted red and which one wanted blue. Oh no. Actually no, I haven't forgot. I know. Can we use their favourite colours?
they're twins. So
Bells, you're giving like so many
no,
hints.
because I gave that hint already to them. The start of the video.
Teacher lady. Then
So it's like turning a really nice.
I'm gonna make avalanche. It's really pretty. It's pink. You can't really see it that well because of the lighting. We already told you about that. Jinx. Oh god.
How long?
It's been 24 minutes.
Huh?
24 minutes. You're fine. You don't mind if you're watching the video. That's 24 minutes, do you? You can just skip the boring part.
No, but some videos are like 3 hours.
Yeah, and people like watch actually to
And
the
they're
end.
actually really boring.
But they actually watch to the end. Sometimes.
I just fast forward the long videos.
Yeah. But don't fast forward this one. If you want to, you can fast forward to the end to hear the session announcement. We haven't forgot about that, don't worry. But it's just not the end at the moment, so.
I need to add more activator. It went really sticky when I add it more colour.
And you add a little bit last.
Okay.
Here's a
That's
little.
not a little bit.
Look that.
Just
Love. Ah, God. Love has made. I'm calling it Love. Sorry, Love. Oh my gosh. Okay. So
Okay.
she's made a really pretty blue, and I've made a really pretty pink.
I'm just gonna add a bit more white. Just a little bit. And then I'm gonna add silver glitter.
But like they've always wanted slime because they cannot make slime. Like here's the recipe, and they're like, it's not working. Like
Wait, no, I might add blue glitter. Blue and silver, maybe.
You only add a little bit of the glitter though.
Yeah, because these are like ceramic, aren't they?
Yes, I haven't even used them because I've been saving them for this very special occasion.
I can't open it, so I want to spit it.
Okay,
I'll try to. So
hopefully it opens. Yes, it's done. Okay,
the silver doesn't work, remember?
that much would be good. But they're really small, literally. Legit small. Oh my gosh, it's so really pretty. I might add some red.
Does your friend want glitter?
Yeah. Well,
Sure. Very nice.
I don't think they do want glitter. They never told me if they wanted glitter or not.
Did you ask them?
Yeah, and they just said, I think they said yeah. But anyways, who doesn't love glitter? So if they do have glitter, I think they'll be fine with it. So I've added red glitter.
Mama, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa.
Open
Open
your
wide, Sorry,
Ha ha ha.
it's
So it's got glitter in, as you can see, red glitter, and it is pink. It is super pretty.
And mine is blue, and it has some blue sparkles in it. So that's my first one done.
Take the same.
I'm going to move on to the second one. So
I'm
I
just
think I'm going to do this one.
Oh, that was my mum just talking to my brother. Okay, next line. So this is a really pretty white.
I think I might do this one. Look.
What, leave it white? Now I have the blue. It's red. Wait, can you use me loose?
Sorry.
Thank you.
I need to get this one down.
I don't know what she's doing actually. I feel like she's doing bunny ears.
This one I need.
Oh yeah, my one is in my room. Gosh, dang it. Got to do it in the bowl.
So guys, at the end we're going to be mixing these two.
Well, I'm not going to be because it's from my friend.
Wait, no,
Wait.
these two ones.
Well, that one with which one? Are you? Why?
Yeah, because it's like, this one's kind of tough.
Yeah, it makes it go really like sticky when you add the colour in.
I know, that's why it's...
Is
that the container, bro?
There's a massive container and it's just like...
Just the floor.
She just banged her foot on the
Did
chair.
I just get my slime stuck in it? Is that slime stuck in my hair?
No.
Yeah.
No, there ain't.
Okay. I think I want to add more talcum powder. Can I add more talcum powder? So,
Just do it.
sorry guys, you don't want to see my oh. See, she's nice.
Yeah, I come totes bestie. At the end, you're going to hurt each other. So, wait, maybe. It depends.
Maybe.
I don't know if you want this. Alex said you could do it out.
Yeah, I just made a Kenzie. But don't worry, my slime can...
I might send her like a little package with activator in it.
That would be cute.
That would be so cute, like in a little box.
You get slime setting.
And like, I'll send her like a guide. Like if it goes wrong.
If it gets sticky on the way.
Like if it gets sticky, which might not have much to
I'm gonna go and see what time it is.
Okay, I'll keep you entertained. Bella, it's not right. What is it? Wait, what does it say?
1.
It's not 1 in the morning, you donut.
No, 1 in the afternoon.
No, it's not 1. It's not.
You haven't gone to the party yet.
It's fake because I'm supposed to go, I think, at 1 to the party. And it's not 1 now.
No, she said 12.
Oh, 12, so yeah, I'll be like an hour late. Okay, then. I'll be an hour late, and that's not good. Okay, I'm just mixing in the activator. So it's a really pretty blue. So blue. That was not me, that was the slime.
Yeah.
Do you remember? Do you remember Ernie?
He's not there anymore because he was getting laughed at by us.
Yeah, it's so funny.
He's getting upset because he was laughing at him.
Bella, how much did you add? Oh my gosh, I'm mixed.
Okay. No! No, you got blue in mine.
Bells, why'd you mix it?
Because I felt like it.
No, don't take the blue, let me take your white. Otherwise you're blue.
Okay.
Okay.
Don't take any more of my talcum powder.
Okay. No, I took it. Loser, take the L.
This is a really nice creamy slime.
Okay, I think the boys are coming. Wait, no, they're not. So,
Oh, let's go tomorrow.
sad times. Sad day. Like, this is really fluffy, the slime, actually. I like this one more. That's good, because they're not getting that slime.
Mommy. Johnny.
Yes, Papa?
Eating sugar.
No, Papa.
Telling lies.
No, Papa.
Open words.
Ha, ha, ha.
She says ha ha ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha.
Okay, now we're going to add in the glitter. Might actually add 2. I might add this one and black. So that's okay.
Black.
Well, have a look what it looks like, just like with this one in. The black is so pretty though, legit.
I know it is.
Legit for it,
I
this.
might add black to us.
I know. Black glitter with white slime makes it so pretty. Literally, I've tried that before and literally I was in love
Looks
with
like
it.
galaxy.
Yeah. It was totally in love.
Maybe if I have purple and black it
I'm just gonna get some water.
sit next to the jet right there.
Okay, so we've legit got some water. No.
That spreads really nice there.
I don't. Okay, so now we've got some water. I'm just gonna add that in slowly, just because it's slightly over.
Okay, so I'm gonna add black.
You're adding black this time. Please it opens. Imagine if it don't. Bella, don't do that. It could go everywhere and you can crack the lid. Okay. Simple piece of cake. Piece of cake, love. So when you're adding your water, only add a little bit, because if you add too much, it could turn into a jiggly slime, and I know my friends hate jiggly slime, so I'm not gonna add too much of that. But like when you're at this, instead of feeding it like that, I'll show you after the picture in a second. My gosh, that is so pretty. It looks like Oreo!
Oh, I'm probably sorry.
Okay, so look, before and now after. So good. Okay,
I'm gonna do.
I've got a
I'm gonna do a close up.
water now.
You guys.
So now it's just mixing it.
You see that black glitter?
I might add black. I might add just a little bit, like
a tiny bit, because I don't think that would want it. But it's honestly really pretty.
yes, it is.
Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar,
No, Papa.
Telling lies,
No, Papa.
Open wide, ha ha. Say ha ha ha. I say ha ha.
But it's so pretty. Yeah.
You're so pretty.
So that sound nice.
Okay.
It's about someone waiting.
Yeah, it's so weird. Literally. They're like crazy.
Okay.
So weird.
Girls.
2 more minutes. Her dad's being really weird.
How many minutes?
Like 3 more minutes.
Why?
Just because we've got one. I'm not sure. But okay, so I'm doing a really pretty avalanche slime. Wait, I'm just going to show you the finished slimes now. So they're both adorable. I love them.
So guys, I'm going to do add-in.
This one's more fluffy. This one's more...
Okay, so we're going to do a line.
Wait, no, I'm not going to mix mine.
I'm mixing these two.
Oh my gosh.
It's going to look cool.
This one looks so pretty.
Pink and white, my favourite. Okay, put that one together.
My gosh, I don't think you can see it as well, but it looks so pretty. Actually, I'm just adding some water.
I'm not going to mix it.
Aren't you?
Does that look pretty?
Oh, that looks so pretty. Okay, here's my slime. So there's my pink slime. And here's my blue slime. But not but my friends.
Here, let me take a
I hope they love it.
Because she worked so hard.
Because I worked very hard. Yeah. So I'm just going to get a little bit of the white slime and I'm going to mix that and the pink slime together. And it's going to be so pretty, like a really pretty texture. Now, I might not be able to show you because I'm mixing it
Look
in.
how pretty that is. Look, guys. It's like white and then pink.
Okay, and then I'm going to do a layer of the white on top. Just to make it look super pretty. I think I've done a pretty good job. Look, oh, you can't really see it. There we go. So like this white and like a white layer on
Let's push
top.
this one down.
It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love that. I think I've done a pretty good job.
Yeah.
And if I put that
candy
in,
cane.
yeah, if I put that like in a container, that looks so pretty. No, not container. Like with like a little activator bottle, and if I put it like in a box, oh my god, they're gonna love it.
Okay, so that's the finished product. I'll show you all my slides, but I'm just going to take a little bit out for this one. Okay. So here's the last line that I've done. It's got white and pink, but it's mainly white. Because the pink is really light.
Yeah, it was really like the pink.
So here it is, and it focuses. So yeah. And here is a blue sign.
Okay, so I think I've done pretty good on that. So.
Yeah. Yeah, now
So it looks so pretty. And there's
So there's the last.
So it's so pretty. Okay, so now that's all done. Oh, we've got to say the special announcement. We're nearly done. Okay, so the special announcement. That's being weird again. But a special announcement is that I'm going to be getting my own channel called Live Libby 214. My dad's just like, ah. But yeah, I am. He let me. Yeah. And it's going to be called Live Libby 214. Bella's getting her own channel called. Code?
Stop!
Code?
Cold.
What's it called?
Stop licking.
Oh, My dad wants something. I'm ever so sorry, guys.
Called.
I think it's this. This.
Called.
This. Okay, so the special announcement is that I'm going to be getting my own channel called Live Livy 2 and 4. Bella's going to be getting her own channel called Bella. Also going to be called
Bella.
Which is channel going to be
Bella. Bella 1 2 3 4.
Yep, and we're gonna
maybe get our own channel
together. But also make sure you subscribe to Live Livy 214, subscribe to Bella 1234, subscribe to our joint channel that in our next video we will tell you what it's going to be called. Subscribe to the Dragon Egg, which is mine and my brother's channel, and subscribe to
A&B, which is you're watching right now.
Yes, so we hope you guys like our video. We're going to do a quick close-up of all the slimes we've made today. So let's show you guys. Okay guys, so we just have this white slime that I made, and this I'm just going to probably keep for myself and make it like, you know, maybe colour it and make it my own. Then we have this other slime that is for my friend, and it's just pink with red glitter and with white little like dots in it kind of, and then a layer of white slime on the top. And then also we have this blue slime for my friend, which just has white in it as well. You can't really see it though. And it also has blue and black glitter, and then it just has a layer of white on the top as well. So thank you guys. So here's all of my slimes, and now we're gonna show you Bella. So we'll be back in a sec.
So the first one is this blue slime with some blue glitter, and it is quite sticky to be honest. And it is a nice light blue.
You can't really see the colour though because of the lighting. It kind of looks white on the camera, but it is blue, a really pretty blue. Just like this blue one, it kind of looks like some.
The next one is this one, but I've got a little bit out for you to show. So it is this slime which has white and pink in it, but the pink was really light, so the white took over.
Right. Our brother's in here now. So yeah.
Next is this one, which I'm going to call Oreo Crunch. It's really pokey. It's got black glitter and it's white. So yeah.
So thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you subscribe to all of those channels we said. Thank you so much. We hope thumbs up and give a thumbs up to my friend's channel. Because they've got their own channel, and that's whose birthday it is today. So their channel, I'm gonna whisper, but don't tell her. It is Auntie Hardy. Okay, so that's the channel. So subscribe to that one. Is that Auntie Hardy? So quickly go subscribe. But so thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye. Like, subscribe, and comment which slime you like the most. Goodbye. Peace out. Bye.